Hi everybody, my name's Lisa and I'm working on some index cards here that I thought I would show you. They are almost finished, but I wanted to add some more images to these cards, and I've been lucky enough to be on LavenderBlu Art's design team, and I've got this beautiful paper that I've printed out from the digital kit, and I thought that I would use some of these images to finish off these cards. So what I've got here is some index cards that are plain in colour, and I've used images from a napkin, some tissue paper, I think that's by Tim Holtz, doily, book paper, this is from a dictionary, and some stickers. And instead of using a glue stick, which is what I would normally use, I tried my gel medium, and you can see that it has buckled a little bit at the sides, but that's okay. I can just straighten them back out and bend them back, so that's okay. I find that when I use the glue stick, it doesn't do that as much. So what I'm thinking of doing is cutting out some images from this beautiful paper here, and then gluing them on to finish these off, and then using my distress ink to do the edges. So I'm just going to do some fussy cutting, and I've got my scissors here. I've got a couple of pairs of scissors. I've got my fabric scissors that I keep for laces and fabric only. I've got my tape scissors that I only use for tape because the blades get rather sticky. And then I've just got a pair of scissors for my paper crafts. So I'm going to get cutting and we'll see what I come up with. Hello everybody, this is part 2 of the video. So yesterday when I was showing you the index cards that I've pre-collaged, I showed you the garden floral themed kit from LavenderBlu Art, and I've done some fussy cutting, and I've got these pieces ready to go onto the cards. Like I mentioned before, I would normally use a glue stick, but because some of these pieces are quite delicate, I think I'm going to go with the gel medium again, and I will add these to the index cards, and then I will ink them. So thank you for watching, and I'll just take it from here and see how I go. So here's the finished card. I've added the index card to a scrap of paper from my scrap paper collection and mounted the index card to the scrap paper, and then I did a punch, a border across the bottom with my border punch from Martha Stewart. I inked the edges and then I used double-sided tape to put it all together. Now, I didn't let the gel medium dry while I was working on the card, so a little bit in the center lifted. So I've just disguised that with a little bit of bling in the center, which looks quite nice anyway, and I think ties in with the word dream. So that's the finished card. I'm going to let it fully dry now, even though it's dry to the touch. And that's one of the ways that you can use index cards and the beautiful garden themed floral kit from LavenderBlu. Thanks for taking a look. Bye.